Okay, Dad, this is your third USS Constitution you're starting, right?
Yes.
And is that the first one on the wall down there?
Yes.
Which is beautiful.
Thank you.
Okay. And you are such a perfectionist that you've done something different here to start with to avoid problems you had on
I followed the instructions for one thing. I have laid the reference line here.
Mm-hmm.
And then each one of these has got this reference line marked. And so when they come together, those lines match up. That should give you a flat deck.
Mm-hmm.
And it goes all the way down like that.
So you have to, wait a minute, you have to sand off down to those lines on each one of those?
Yes,
Wow.
because of the curvature
And
of the ship.
You weren't doing that before?
Yeah, I did that before, but it wasn't as good.
Okay. Wow.
So,
And then you stopped working on this ship because of just problems.
Because it's sloppy.
Oh, that's hard to believe, but all right. So it's going to be here for inspiration, I guess.
Yes. I'm going to put it in the top shelf in the closet.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Anyhow, that's...
And this line going down there, how did you not do that last time?
No, I didn't. I relied on this being flush with this. But anyhow,
so
the plans call for the lines.
Mm-hmm.
The plan also calls for marking down here.
Mm-hmm.
But I see that doesn't quite fit. But anyhow, it doesn't matter. I will cut a piece of wood that's this width right here, and I put it down here and glue it, and that'll make it perfectly square crossed.
Okay.
And when I glue this in place, I will have it a little square. I put that there, and I will clamp that down when it glues, and that way it'll be perfectly square. That's what I'm doing now.
So this is the first video since you've turned 90.
Yes.
Yeah, and you know, in a few weeks.
No, I'm only 70. Come on.
No, you'll be 91 in a few weeks.
Yes.
That'll be
75 in a few weeks.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks. Well, that was an interesting tip for anybody probably working on this ship.
Maybe so.
All right. Very good.
Oh, there's one thing in the instructions. It took me 6 readings to understand it. It says here, then with a sharp pencil, tick off the bulkhead stations below the slots.
Oh, that doesn't mean a lot to me.
I think I figured it out. This is ticking off the bulkheads.
Oh, okay.
Below the slots.
Ticking is marking.
Yeah. I don't know why they call it ticking.
Okay.
But anyhow.
Oh, you did that for the first time then here.
Yeah, I did do that before.
Oh, interesting.
But I will check each one of these first before I ever begin to assemble the thing, so everything will fit together. I'll show you what's happening here with this one. This is the 4th. They fit pretty tight. See, that doesn't go quite down. So I have to file right in here.
Okay.
That's it.
Did you do that before?
No. Well, yeah, I did, but I didn't do a good job of it.
Okay.
Now let's see if it'll go. There.
Perfect.
Perfect.
All right.
So I got the first 4. I have to be so careful of these extensions.
Because they're the basis.
Now, one of the problems here, I broke at least 6 or 8 of those extensions. But this time, after I get this group up, I'm going to take a piece of the dowel wood, or excuse me, the planking, and I'm going to glue the top plank on here all the way across here, and that'll help support those.
Okay.
It's hard to work with them. I don't know. Anyhow, that's it.
Very good. All right. Well, thanks, Dad.
Yeah, thank you, dear.